Hello students, welcome to Samclasses. We'll be starting the chapter probability, the PYQ. Okay, the essence of any chapter is to solve the questions and to improve yourself by solving the question, understanding the concepts and application of the concepts. Okay, the moment you understood the concepts, you have written it down. Now how to apply it in the questions in a reality based questions, okay, in a real life problems. So that also we'll do later, but first let's see for the exam questions what we have. So probability comes for a very good. Last 2 to 3 years the weightage was around minimum 5, so it's a very strong weightage chapter, very important, very simple, not much we have to do. Few things, if you concentrate, you'll be able to solve each and everything of that. So let's see and let's start the chapter. Okay, let's see the first question. What we have here is a and b are two events such that p of a is not equal to 0. We have to find p of b by a. Okay, so first we should know what is the formula. Conditional probability b by a is equal to p of a intersection b or b intersection a by whatever is down, p of a. Correct. Now already they have given a and b are two events such that this, if first a is a subset of b. What do you mean by subset? A is a subset of b means whatever of a is there is lies inside b. Correct. So a is inside b basically. So this b intersection a is will be what? P of a only by p of a. Correct. So that is equal to 1. So now you can emit this directly. Now the second part, do we need to solve it? If the intersection is 0, no, we know the answer will be 0 only, because the intersection is 0, 0 by p of a is equal to what? 0. But we don't have to solve. Okay, so we got it because only one option was there with 1 and 0. Correct. So very simple. So understand, probability is very simple. A lot of questions will be like, you will be what do you say, scared, like, sir, so easy it came. Nothing, least what do you say, even far easy than the PU questions. Okay, so few will be like a bit you need to solve up there. So we'll see all of it. Okay, how it comes. Okay, let's see the next question. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. Now this two dice are thrown simultaneously. This whole sample space, I'm writing it for once. I won't write for the next upcoming questions. So see how we write. When you throw 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Now similar way, it starts from 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Then starts 3 1, 3 2. You can fast forward and it will be sounding like 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Okay, so the moment you fast forward, you can get this feel. 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Okay, so wise I can make it fast, but I can't make it fast in the writing part. So 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5. Let's say we are throwing stones and we are counting 5 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. This shows that we got tired, but still we don't have to give up. So 48 hours I'm doing the content marathon for you all. So we'll be completing each and everything whatever we have told you, and we'll try to deliver within these 48 hours. So 48 hours, no sleep, nothing, almost around. We have to work hard, give it up, everything. So if there is any a bit slight error or something like here and there, do report us. We'll try to correct it, and do tell us, and focus on the study, work hard. Best of luck. Okay, let's see. Now they're telling us two dice are thrown, done, that is throwing is done. What is the probability of obtaining a score of 5? So where we are scoring 5, this 2 3, 3 2, 4 1, 1 4. So this whole sums up 5. So how many? 4 out of total, how much? 36. So 4 by 36, everybody knows what is the answer. So 1 by 9. Very good. Coming to the next question. If the events A and B are independent, events A and B are independent, P of A bar is equal to 2 by 3 and P of B bar is equal to 2 by 7. Fine. So see, very simple. P of A bar is what? P of A bar is what? 2 by 3. So P of A is what, sir? So we already know probability of something happening plus probability of something not happening is always equal to 1. Correct? See, in life we make it like two statements. Either you succeed or you fail. Correct. So if the chance of success plus failure is equal to a sure event, either in life what will happen? Either you will do good or you will do bad. Correct. Total equal to what? Event only. Correct. So here P of A dash, well, P of A will be what? 1 minus 2 by 3. So that is equal to 1 by 3. So you don't have to do like that, what I'm doing. Okay. So probability of B dash is equal to 2 by 7. So probability of B will be equal to 1 minus 2 by 7, that is equal to 5 by 7. So directly, since these are independent events, so what we can do? P of B is equal to 1 minus 2 by 7, that is equal to 5 by 7. So since they are independent events means what we should know, probability of A intersection B will be probability of A into probability of B. Occurrence of one doesn't hamper anything of other. So probability of A is what? 1 by 3. And probability of B is what? 5 by 7. So that is equal to 5 by 21. Very correct answer. That's it. Nothing. It will take what? Less than 10 seconds? 30 seconds max? Let's see the next question. What we have here is a box contains 100 bulbs. 10 are defective. So how many good? 90 is good. What is the probability of getting a defective bulb? 1 by 10. And probability of getting a good bulb? 9 by 10. Okay. Correct. Now, total number of distribution, 5 bulbs are drawn. So directly we can do probability of success. So what will be? 5C0. We can do by non-defective also. So we can take our P as probability of success as getting a defective. And now we can directly do that you get no defective, x equal to 0. So PC0, what will be the formula? P of x equal to x, if somebody doesn't remember the formula, NCXA, q power n minus xa, p power xa, correct? Where n is equal to 5. So, so what we'll have here? 5C0, then q power, so 9 by 5 power 5 minus 0 into 1 by 10 power 0, correct? So 5C0 and NC0 is 1. Okay. So 1 into 9 by 10 whole power 5. That's it. So 9 by 10 whole power 5. Correct. So very simple question. Nothing is there. Okay. Let's see the next question. A man takes a step forward with probability 0.4 and a step backward. So forward, probability of forward. Now probability of forward is equal to 0.4. Probability of backward is equal to 0.6. Okay. Now then probability that at the end of 11th step, he is one step away from the starting point. Let's say he's starting from here. Okay. So at the end of 11th step means he's going 6 forward and then he can do 5 backward. So he's just like one step, 5 backward, correct? So here he took 6 forward, 5 backward. Or he can do the opposite thing. He can go first backward and then from backward he can come up here. So 5 backward first and 6 forward first, then later. So both ways you'll reach up here, okay? So either you go in the back direction, okay, and then come back, or you go in the front direction and then come back. Both is same. So what will be the answer? Very simple, directly we'll do. So let's say forward, what do you say? Forward we take it as success. Forward equal to success, because when we move forward we feel success. So forward equal to success, that is equal to P. Backward, let's say, is equal to Q. Correct. So if in this case 11C6, okay, 0.4 power 6 into 0.6 power 5 plus what will be the second one? 11C5. Here 0.4 just interchange power 5 and 0.6 power. How much? Now you interchange it, 0.6 power 6. Okay. Now add it up. So when you add it, what you can do, you can take common. Okay. So what 11? Now one more thing, a lot of students will ask, sir, 11C6, okay, and 11C5, they're same thing. Now you'll remember we learned one formula in first PU, NCX is equal to NCY if X plus Y is equal to N. So here NC5 is equal to, or 11C5 is equal to 11C6. You'll get the same thing. Basically, if you do, what do you say? So you'll get 11 factorial by 6 factorial into 5 factorial, and the same thing for the other also. So you can just take it out common, okay, and here it will be, so it will be 11 factorial, 11C6. You can just add it up, 11C6, you can take common, into 0.4 whole power 5, you can take common, the minimum at least, okay. 0.4 power 5 you have taken common, and 0.6 power 5 you have taken. So what is left? 0.4 into plus 0.6. So 0.4 into 0.6 is 1. So 11C6 into 0.4 power 5 and 0.6 power 5. So how much we are getting? Check it, which answer? So 0.4 and 0.6, they are multiplied, so 0.24, and that is like, yeah, correct, the first option. Okay, so it's not very difficult, but yeah, a bit you have to see and be careful and do it. Okay, so for some questions we have to do it. We can't use what do you say, a lot of say simple methods, or a lot the tricks doesn't work. So these questions you have to work out. Okay, next, very simple. See, we know sigma px is equal to what? Probably of all of this is equal to what? 1. That's it. So what you added? 0.2 plus k plus 2k, sir, is equal to 1. So how much we got? 4k. Sorry, 4k plus 0.8, got a bit excited, is equal to 1. So 4k is equal to 0.8 and k is equal to 0.2. That's it. So directly. So see, they give you some easy questions, some hard. So you can, this question you can solve in like less than 10 seconds. So you can have some time for the other questions so that you can make it up. Correct. Next question. A box, always we get probability. A box contains 6 red numbers, 1 from 6. So 6 red marbles we have from where to where? 1 to 6. 1 to 6. Da, da, da. And 1 to 6. And 4 white marbles, 4 white from 12 to 15. From 12 numbering from 12 to 15. Okay. What is the probability that the marble drawn at random is white also and odd number? White and odd number is how much? 13 and 15. So 2. So 2 by total number is what? 6 and 4, 10. So 2 by 10, 1 by 5. That's it. Correct. So 1 by 5 is the answer. Next question. If 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, see the whole thing which we have written here, we can copy it. Okay, we can paste it. So we won't be writing everywhere. Okay. So this you should remember. You can do it mentally also. Okay, okay. It is not able to take everything here. I'll just 1 second. So what I'll do, I'll write it down 5 comma 6, 4 comma 6, and then I can copy it there. Okay. So this whole part is important. I'll take a copy and just paste it here. So what we have here. So we got it. Now they're telling that if 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, then the probability that the sum of the numbers which come up to dice is more than 5. So we know till here we are getting 5. So anything more than this is what? More than 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5. Correct. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 5. Again 4. Again 3. Again 2. Again 1. So how much total we are getting? Very simple. If you add it, you will get here, what do you say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you get 5 numbers, 6 numbers, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 7 and 3, 10, 15, and 5, 20, 26. So 26 by 36. So that is equal to 13 by 18. That's it. Okay. So you should understand, or you can keep in mind, this sum is 2, this sum is 3, this sum is 4, then it goes 5, then it goes, sum goes 6. Okay. And the value is like 1 less in number. Okay. So this is like 5, so 1, 4 here. Okay. So like that, the moment you see, you can do it mentally also. Okay. Nothing very difficult is here, but okay. Everybody got this? No? If you want, again, I'm showing it. They told us that the die should get a number more than value of more than 5. So more than 5, when we'll get 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, means 6. So that we have 5 numbers. For 7, we have total 6 numbers. For 8, we have 5 numbers. It will decrease. For 9, we have 4 numbers. For 10, we have 3 numbers. For 11, we have 2 numbers. And for 12, we have just 1 number. So if you add it up, all you get 26 by total 36, 13 by 18, less than 3 seconds it will take. Okay. Next question. If probability of A intersection B is given 7 by 10, probability of B, very simple, directly formula P of A by B. See, conditional probability, we know what is it. P of A by B is what? P of A intersection B, so 7 by 10 divided by P of B, so 17 by 20. So what you can do? You can cancel 7 by 10 into 20 by 17. So cancel Mari 2, so 14 by 17, correct? 14 by 17, C option. That's it. Let's see the next question. 2 cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52. What is the probability of being both the aces? See, one is like the permutation combination method. Out of 4 aces, you are choosing 2, so 4C2. And out of total 52 cards, you're choosing 2 cards, so 50C2. 50C2. Okay. 52C2. Correct. Okay. Now, let's see this side. 2 cards are drawn. What else formula we can use? So the first card can be what? 4 of 52. Now, the moment we have picked up, the second card involved will be the option 3 of 51. We can do by this. No, better is this one only. So 4C2 by 50C2 If you want, you can solve it. What you will get the answer, we'll see. Let's see. 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 52 factorial by 50 factorial into 2 factorial. Correct. So this and this is gone. 52 can be written as 52 into 51, and this 50 factorial is gone. So 52 and 51, 4, 3, 2, that's it. So 4, 52, 2, 26, 3, 17, 2, 13. So we are getting somewhere okay, this 2 gone, cut. 4, 2, okay, one more 2 will come here, 2. So this 2 gone. So we can get by this also 1 by 13, 17, okay. We could have done by this also 4 by 52 into 3 by, see, for the first card, it is 4 of 52. And for the second card, since you've already picked up ace, so it will be 3 of 1 less card, 51. So 3 17s are, 4 13s are. So 1 by 13 into 1 by 17, that's it. So 1 by 221, that's it. Okay. Let's see the next one. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, probability of obtaining a total score of 5. Very simple. Again, I'll paste the same thing, okay. Score of 5 when we get 4 values, correct. We already know 4 values. So when we have 1 by 9 directly, we can put up 1 by 9 already done. So 4 by 36. Anybody any doubt? And one important announcement for all the students. I think so from 24th onwards will be on 24 by 7 on YouTube for your doubts, difficulties, and motivations, whatever you need. So, but doubt timing, if you put up a question, at least it will take around an hour, because a lot of people they'll be putting up. Okay, plus we'll be having other stuff to do, but still we'll be focusing. And like if you have like this this topic is there, whether to study or not, like okay, like you are enough, and we want you to be like whatever time you get up, you don't be like too lazy. You'll be like, okay, sir is there, so we can just log into the YouTube. You can just go, but go into the live section, and you can be and start studying with us. So you won't have the laziness in you, okay, because already somebody is there awake for you, working hard, so that you guys can do good, you all can do good. Okay, let's see the next question. Very simple. A box contains 100 pens, 10 are defective. Probability that out of a sample out 5 pens, which is drawn one by one by replacement, and almost at the most one. See, here a lot of students will do mistake. At most one means what? Maximum one means it can be 0 also, it can be 1 also. Here only you need to understand, it can be 0 also, it can be 1 also. At most means maximum 1. At most means max 1. So max means it can be 0, it can be 1 also. It can't go beyond 1. So for 0, what will be the value? Again, same thing. We can do it like what do you say? So it will be like, see, you can understand without solving also. It will be sum of 1 plus sum of second. So it will be like this. Most option and 90% case, if I don't have the time, I'll just take this one and I'll go. Correct. So you can do that. Okay. Now let's see proper method of solving it. Success, let's say 1 by 10. Okay, the defective ones, and failure, let's say 9 by 10. Good ones. Okay, now what you have to see? P plus Q is equal to what? 1. Success plus failure is equal to 1. Finding x equal to 0, what will be? 5c0. 1 power 10 power 0. 9 by 10 whole power 5. Plus 5c1. 1 by 10 power 1 into 9 by 10 power 4. Correct. Now take common. I think so. If you take common, you will get 5 into 1 by 10. Now 5c0 is what? nc0 is what? 1. And 5c1 is what? 5. So you should know these things, okay? And 9 by 10 power 4. So this you will get, okay? And the one part you will get 9 by 5 whole power 10. This part you will get 9 by 10 whole power 5. So I think so, yeah, C option only. That's it. This is half, okay, if you're not able to see, half into 9 by 10 whole power 4, okay? So very simple, nothing is there, okay? So don't get too confused, very simple question. Next again, see, directly you can do sigma px, means summation of, if I add all the px terms, it has to give me 1. So what it will be? 0.3 plus how many? 2k plus 1. 5k is equal to 1. So 5k is equal to 0.7, k is equal to 0.7 by 5, and that if you bring it up, what do you say? 0.7 by 5 is nothing but 0.14. Correct. What you have done? 0.2, 0.2, so 0.14, okay. Now, next, two events A and B will be independent if the first one. How, sir? P of A bar intersection B bar, it will be independent if it is P of A bar into P of B bar, correct? And 1 minus PA is what? P of A bar only. And 1 minus PB is what? P of B bar only, correct? That's it. Next, for the probability distribution, P of xi is equal to this, find the standard deviation. Now again, standard deviation, here we have to solve. Here we can't do anything, okay? So here, what will be the standard deviation formula? Estimation of x square minus estimation of x whole square, correct? This whole square, okay? So estimation of x is nothing but mean. So how do we find estimation of x? See, estimation, to find the estimation of x, very simple. Even if you are doing for the first time, understand how do you are finding it. Take this, multiply with this. Take the xi part, multiply with pi part. So basically, estimation of x stands for xi into pi and sigma. So if I have three estimation, three values, so x1 into p1 plus x2 into p2 plus x3 into p3 if somebody doesn't know. So I'm going from like total beginner. So let's find first e of x, that is equal to 0 into 25 by 36. Now 0 into 25 by 36 I don't have to do. So in exam I won't do. Just for showing you all, I'm writing it 5 by 18 plus 2 into 1 by 36. So what I'm getting? 1 by 18. So basically I'm getting 6 by 18, correct? Now if I square it, e of x whole square, so it is what? 6 square by 18 square, correct? I got this much. Now if I want, I will cut it 1 by 3. So basically I got 1 by 9. Okay, don't do mistake like me, okay? So 1 by 9 we got. Sometimes you do mistakes. So try it. Now next is square. So what do you have to do? E of x square means what? You take x1 square into p1, means you square the x1 values and then multiply with the probabilities. x2 square into p2 plus x3 square into p3, correct? So x1 square is what? 0 into 0 square is what? Don't care. 1 square is 1 only, 1 into 5 by 18. And the second one will be 4 into 1 by 36. So what do you do? 2 by 18, correct? Now I didn't cut 1 by 9 because here 18 is there. So 5 plus 2, 7 by 18, correct? So we got 7 by 18. So 7 by 18 minus 1 by 9. If you solve it, you will get 5 by 18. Correct? That's it. That's the answer. So 5 by 18, if you do the square root, what you will get? Somewhere around root 5, 1. And 18 is equal to nothing but 3 root 2. Means 9 into 2, so 3 root 2. So 1 by 3, root under 5 by 2. Next question. A bag contains 17 tickets numbered from 1 to 17. So 17 tickets from 1 to 17, 1 to 17, dot, dot, dot. A ticket is drawn at random, then another ticket is drawn without replacing the first one. So you're drawing one and then you are taking out the other without replacing, okay? The probability that both the tickets show even numbers. So how many even numbers we have? Check it. 2, 4, 6, 8. How many? Do it. 10, 12, 14, 16. Correct. 8. So 8 by 17 in the first case. Now you have already taken out 1. So second will be what? 7 by 16. That's it. So 8 ones are 8 twos are 7 by 34. First option. See, very simple. Okay. Next. A flashlight has 10 batteries, out of which 4 are dead. Okay. So 3 batteries are selected without replacement and tested. What is the probability that 3 are dead? Very simple. We'll go by, what do you say? Permutation and combination. Out of 4 batteries, 3 are, if you want to know what is the probability that all 3 is dead, means you have to choose from these 4 dead batteries. So 4C3 and total is how much? 10C3. That's it. Solve it, you'll get the answer. Correct. So 4C3, see if somebody doesn't know, NCR is equal to what? N factorial by N minus R factorial. Correct. Into R factorial. So 4 factorial by 3 factorial into 1 factorial is 1 only. By 10 factorial by 3 factorial into 7 factorial, correct. So we got this much. So this also we can cut. 4 factorial can be written as what? 4 into 1 less factorial. So 3 gone. So 4 by, and this 10, 9, 8. and 7 factorial I can cut. I won't be writing whole thing this in exam. And 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2, 6. So 3 threes are gone. Okay. And then what we have? 2, 4. So basically we are getting 4 by 10, 3 and 4. Correct. 4 by 10, 3, 4. So 4, 4 gone, 1 by 30. That's it. So if you solve it, like you can do it more faster than me. Okay. So you can solve it more faster, like what is, you can cut up the 3 factorials and then you can do it. So it will be basically like 4 factorial for this. Okay. 4 factorial, basically you'll get 4c3. Okay, you can use this formula also. NC n minus r, like what do you say, NC n minus 1. Okay, so NC n minus 1 is nothing but n only. So 4 into 4c3 will be 4 only. 4 by 10 factorial, so 10, 9, 8. 7 is gone and 3 factorial is 6. That's it. So you can use this one also. Okay. So this is, I think, so much better in calculation, and you can use that also. Now, next is the probability of happening an event is 0.5 and B happening another event B is 0.3. A and B are mutually exclusive events, then the probability of neither A nor B. Very, very, very simple question. Okay, neither A nor B. How will you do? P of A is given as 0.5. P of B is given as 0.3. So 1 minus 0.5 plus 0.3. So how much? 0.2 is the answer. That's it. Clear? You got it? Didn't get it? If you didn't get it, put it in the comment section. Okay, very simple question. We have to find neither A nor B. Neither A nor B, if you understand, it should be in this part. So from the total probability, which is 1 minus the probability of happening of anything here. So anything here is 0.8, the union of that, and then this directly. Okay. Oh, these are mutually exclusive, no? So it will be like this. No common. Next. In a simultaneous throw of a pair of dice, the probability of getting a number, again, see, so this dice one, okay. So you make sure that you know it very properly. Now, what is the probability of getting a number total more than 7? So we already know when is 7 we are getting. Here we are getting 5, here we are getting 6. So this is 7, more than 7, they're telling, no. More than 7 is this part, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many numbers we have here? So directly, if you remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5, here 4, here 3, here 2, here 1. So we already know 7 and 3, 10 and 15. So 15 by 36. So 3 5s are, 3 12s are, 5 by 12 is the answer. Correct. Done. So this part is very, very, very important. Okay, very, very important. You just need to keep it this. A lot of questions, almost like every year we can see one question from this part. Okay, let's see the next question. A and B are mutually exclusive events. So P of A is given, B is given, P of A or B. So A or B means what, students? A or B means what? Union. So P of A union B is equal to what? Mutually exclusive. So P of A plus P of B. So that is equal to what? 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. That is equal to 4 by 5. And that is equal to 0.8. Done. Two letters are chosen from the letters of the word equation. The probability that one is a vowel and the other is a consonant. So first we need to find out how many vowels are here. So E is a vowel, U is a vowel, A is a vowel, I is a vowel, O is a vowel. Okay. So 5 vowels we have. So 5C1. Out of 5 you're choosing one. And then non-vowels 4C1. By total 9C2. Correct. So 5C1 is 5, 4C1 is 4, and 9C2 is basically 9 into 8, 7, 7 gone, and top we get a 2, correct. So 8 and 8 got, so 5 by 9, that's it. Let's see the next question. Random variable x has the following probability distribution. Now this is big, so you have to solve it. Okay, solve it. So this is what? K square plus k square, this is 3k square, and this is, I think so, 3k. Yeah, so if we add up all things, k square, 2k square plus 3k square, so 5k square, plus what do you have? K, 3k, 4k, 5k, 5 plus 3, 8k plus 1, 9k. 9k minus 1, this has to be equal to 1. So what are you getting? 5k square plus 9k minus 2 is equal to 0, correct? Solve it, you will get the answer. This is basically what? 5 middle term factor. What you can do? 10k minus k minus 2 is equal to 0. So you will get k is equal to minus 2 and k is equal to 1 by 5. That's it. If somebody doesn't know this, you can see 5k, you can take common, so k plus 2, and minus 1 you can take common, so k plus 2. So one value k is equal to minus 2 and one value 5k minus 1 equal to 0. So 5k is equal to 1, k is equal to 1 by 5. So you don't have to do this much, just by here only you can understand. So 1 by 5. Okay. Now we have 1 by 5 value also, and we have a value minus 2 also. Correct. So now what you can say is the probability can it be negative. So this cannot be possible. Correct. So don't put this also answer and answer. Okay. A lot of people they put this also. Don't do that. Okay. Negative we don't have no probability. Now next, if A and B are two events of a sample space H such that P of A is this, P of B is this. Okay, they have given now a very trick question. What do you say? We have given you a concept probability of A by B plus probability of A bar by B is nothing but directly equal to 1. You can use it as a trick. So probability of A by B is 0.5, means half, plus this whole thing is equal to 1. So if you solve it, A bar by B is equal to 1 minus half, so half only. Now let's see the next question. If x has a binomial distribution with parameters n equal to 6, x equal to 2 is equal to 12, and see here you have to solve it only. So x is equal to 2. First you should know what is the formula. Correct. So n is 6, so 6c2. Correct. And my success is, let's say, p power so what is it 2, and failure is q power 4. This value is given as 12. Okay. NCR p power n minus p power r and q power n minus r divided by this the other form where x is equal to 3. So 6c3 p power 3 and q power 3 only is equal to 5. Now solve it. So p square 1 gone. Correct. One here gone. This one gone. This is gone. Now what we can 62 will be what? 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. Here 6 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial, and here we have a q, here we have a p, and that is equal to 12 by 5. Correct. So 6 and 6 is gone again. So 4 factorial we can write 4 into 1 less 3 factorial. So this is gone. So 3 factorial is 3 into 2. So this and this is gone. So we got 3 by 4 qp is equal to 12 by 5. Correct. Now what else we can do? Okay, we know p plus q is equal to what? 1. So we have to substitute either p is equal to 1 minus p or q is equal to 1 minus p. So q is equal to 1 minus p. So q is equal to 1 minus p, or you can take p is equal to 1 minus q. Whichever you want, you can take it and we can solve it. So what you will get? 15q is equal to 48p. So let's say I'm substituting here. Correct. 15 into q is what? 1 minus p is equal to 48p. We need p or no? Yeah, we need p only. So we'll substitute p. 15 minus 15p is equal to 48p. So send it that side. 48 plus 15, 63. P is equal to 15. So p is equal to 15 by 63. 5 and 21. So 5 by 21. 5 by 21. We are getting correct. P is equal to 5 by 21. So one option will be, okay, here option is not there, 5 by 21. Okay. So this will be the option 5 by 21, and one option wrong here. Some typing errors are there. Okay. So 5 by 21 will be the answer. Okay. That's it. Now understand, some questions will be difficult. Some question will be like not difficult, like lengthy. So there you have to do. You have to save time from the other questions which are like less than 3 minutes, 3 seconds. So there and that time you got, or 10 seconds, and that time you have to put it up here. Okay. Let's see the next part. A man speaks. See, this is a very common PUC question. Okay. A man speaks truth 2 out of 3 times. Okay. So truth is 2 by 3. So false is how much? 1 by 3. He picks up one of the natural numbers in the set 1 to 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 1 to 7, and reports that it is even. Okay. That it is even. The probability that it's actually even. Okay. So probability of it is even is equal to what? 3 by 7. Even numbers is what? 2, 4 and 6. Correct. So probability of E bar not even is equal to what? 4 by 7. So this is what? Base theorem. So what you will do? Come on fast. So this into this by total. So 2 by 3 into 3 by 7 by 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. If somebody didn't get, do to check the base theorem concept. Okay, very simple it is. So what 3 cancel, so they'll give you value such that you can cancel it. 2 by 7 by here, 3 cancel, you can do. Okay, and what you'll get, or you can keep all the thing, don't cancel. Okay, see 7 3 21, 7 3 21, 7 3 21. Okay, so what you can do in that case, so 21 21 21 all you can cancel. So what you'll get, 6 by 6 plus 4, so 6 by 10, that is equal to 3 by 5. That's it. Clear, everybody? So basically what is the probability we have to find? That it is actually even. The probability that it is actually even. And he picks up one of the natural number and reports that it is even, knowing that it is actually even. Okay. So that is equal to what? Truth into this one by the total thing. Okay, that's simple. Let's see the next question. A dice is thrown 10 times. Okay. The probability that an odd number will come up at least one time. Odd number comes up at least one time means minimum one time. So what is this? This is a bit tricky. Minimum one means what? It can start with from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. So we don't have to solve 1 to add px equal to 1 plus px equal to 2. We can't do that. We'll do opposite way. What we'll do? Total 1 minus p of x equal to 0. Okay, so we'll get all of it. So 1 minus 10c 0. What is my success? Let's when you're throwing a, what is your dice, odd or even, either you get odd, so success is equal to half and failure is also equal to half. So half power 10 and half power 0, correct? So what you'll get, see 1 minus 10 nc0 is what, 1 only, and 1 by 2 power 10, and 2 power 10 is what, 1024. This value you should know it. Okay, 1024, so you can do it fast. So 1 minus 1 by 1024, so you will get 1023 by 1024. That's it. Clear? Next question. Probability of solving a problem by a person is three persons A, B and C independently is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 3. Okay, so they have given that, and then the probability of the problem is solved by any two. So any two of them means A, B solved, C didn't solve, plus AC solved, B didn't solve, plus A didn't solve, BC solved, correct? So just put the value there independent. No, so 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and C dash C. I can do it like, what do you say, mentally only. 1 minus 1 by 3 is what, 2 by 3, plus so 1 by 2, C is what, my C is what, 1 by 3, and B bar, so 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4 is what, 3 by 4, correct, plus half into 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, that's it. Half is half only. So if you solve it, you will get what, 3, 2, everywhere you will get 24. So down 24 and 2 plus 3 plus 1. So 6 by 24, 1 by 4. So that's the value, that's it. Now let's see this question. So what they've given, events E1 and E2 form a partition of sample space. A is an event such that probability of E1 is equal to E2 is equal to half. Okay, both they have given same, and E2 by A they have given, and A by E2 is given. Okay, so if I use this formula, probability of this is, we already know it. Probability of A E1 by A is equal to what? P E1 into A by E1, correct? By total P E1 into A by E1 plus P E2 into P of A by E2. Now if you see here, what we don't know, what we don't know, we don't know this one, sorry, this is E1, we don't know this one, A by E1 also, and we don't know this one, so 2 is unknown here. So what we're gonna do is, okay, and what they have given us, see, A by E2 and E2 by A also they have given, so we'll use that. So instead of that, what we'll do, P of E2 by A, will use it. The moment we write P of E2 by A, it will be what, P of E2, P of A by E2 divided by whole thing, P of E1, P of A by E1, okay, P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2. Okay, so see, this all probability, since they have given same, directly I can cut it. So this is equal to, they have already given as half, correct, and this value is 2 by 3. So half is equal to 2 by 3, this I don't know, x plus 2 by 3. So what will be the value of x? See, if I something has half and this is like, let's say 3 by something as, what you say, x plus 3. So this already has to be what, 3, then only you'll get half. So this x will be equal to what, 2 by 3, very simple, correct. So we got this value 2 by 3, so 2 by 3 will substitute in the second one. What we got, and the value p of a by even. So we'll put it up here. So here also we can cut this got. So this we got 2 by 3 by, okay, same thing we got here 2 by 3, here again 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, I'm doing it here, by 2 by, what you say, this we got it as p of a by even, we already got it. So 2 by 3 here plus again 2 by 3. So basically this answer is half. So we don't have to solve. So it looked very difficult and all. So the moment you analyze these two, you'll be easily able to find it out. Okay. So first we found out, okay, let me recap it. First we found out a by even because we didn't knew about that, because already e2 by a was given. So from there we found out a by even. And once we got a by even, it was very easy just to put the value and get the a by 2. That's it. Okay. Even by a, that's it. Let's see the next one. Two events A and B are such that, okay, this one already I told you, P of A by B plus P of A bar by B is equal to what? 1. Correct. So what you can do directly? This one A by B, how will you find it out? P of A by B is equal to what? P of A intersection B by P of B, that's it. So P of A intersection B is what? 1 by 6 by 1 by 2. So that is equal to 1 by 3. So P of A bar by B is equal to direct 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. That's it. Okay. So this is very handy. What is the shortcut? Use it. Okay. Now next, this one we have already done, that man problem. Okay. Back you can just go through. Now the last question. So what is it given? P of A, okay, is equal to P of A is equal to, okay, we have written a bit, is equal to 2 times of P of B, and that is equal to 3 times of P of C, correct? Now what do you do? Take this whole thing as K. So P of A will be equal to K, P of B will be equal to K by 2, and P of C will be equal to K by 3. Okay. Now probability of all three will be what? Mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So sum will be the whole thing. So it will be K plus K by 2 plus K by 3 is equal to 1. Everybody got it? Okay, because it will create the whole sample space. So what you will get? Take K common, what you will get? 6 plus 3 plus 2 by 6 into K is equal to 1. So K is equal to 6 by 11, correct? So once you got K, now what we need to find, what they're asking, find P of A union C, correct? One second, I think so. Okay, this is not the question of 2020, okay. So cut it previously. What you have to find here is P of B. So P of B, okay, P of B is equal to what? K by 2. So 6 by 11 into 2, so you'll get 3 by 11. So P of B answer is 3 by 11, okay. Clear? So the question is A, B, C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events of an experiment such that, okay, printing mistake is there, P of A is equal to P of 2 times of P of B, and that is equal to 3 times of P of C. You have to find P of B, okay. So this is the question, okay. So A, B and rest is same. So we got this concept, okay. So first is P of A is equal to P of 2 times of P of B is equal to 3 times of P of C. Something whenever like 3 probabilities are equal, just equate it to K. From there P of A is equal to K, P of B is equal to, send this to that side, so K by 2, and P of C is equal to K by 3. Once you do it, now next is mutually exclusive and exhaustive means if I add all the 3 probability, I'll get a sure event, correct? The whole sample space will be generated. So I'll get this equal to 1. From there I'll get the value of K, and then directly I'll get the value of P of B. That's it.